How to enable autoplay video on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. After you click on Settings, in here, simply scroll down. Scroll down till you find Media. Click on Media. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, make sure autoplay is in on mobile data and Wi-Fi or only Wi-Fi. Make sure it's not in never autoplay videos. And this is how to enable autoplay video on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.